Hello again. So this is the last PR kit. I bought 5 from Amazon for a good price, I would think. So yeah, let's try to open it. There you go. Yep. Background noise. Sorry about that. Yep. PR promo last again. Alright. Demand answers. Undercity Eliminator. Frantic Scapegoat. Hedge Whisperer. Ooh, it's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. Thundering Falls. Hunted Bonebird. Alright. Second pack. Alright. Oh, this set is a shock. Alright. We have a rope. Long goodbye. Wow. Never got a vein ripper. Breakout. Wanted one for for EDH. Play Markov. I don't have that. So, oh no, analyze the pollen. Magnifying glass. Nope. Third pack. Nope. Right. Curious Cadaver. Neighborhood Guardian. Oh no. Like very common. Doorkeeper Thrall. Sample Collector. Bishop of the Bloodstained. Alright. We have 3 more packs. Take out a good chunk of the commons. Fanatical Strength. Repulsive Mutation. A rope. Long goodbye. Ah, crap. You again. Case of the Gateway Express. Candlestick. Essence of Antiquity. Nope, it's not brown. Nope, it's uncommon. Nope. You again. Oh no. Bad kid, I would think. Redemption. Oh, it's actually open. It's not properly sealed. Look. It's not sealed at all. Might be crimp cards, I hope. Oh, look. It's not sealed at all. Anyway. Are there crimp cards? Nope. Sad. No home cards. Rune Brand Juggler. Polygraph Orb again. At least. Lush Portico. Another one. And Vanifar. Alright. That's it. Thank you.